Hello everybody, my name is Professor Cedar and I'm going to be the instructor for your course here, Geology 101. This video is a review of Canvas, our online learning platform, and most importantly how we are going to use it for this course. Starting out on the home page here for the course, we have announcements, the very first thing, probably good to check these out, at least know what's in them. We have the course name. There's a link here for the syllabus, probably worth taking at least a little look at that one. And then we have two guides here for Zoom. There's going to be a bit more about that in a separate video. But between these two, you should have everything that you need to be able to get started if you just want something quick and easy. Beneath this, we have a list of some of the upcoming Zoom virtual meetings for our course. You'll see that at first we are going to be meeting Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, starting on Wednesday the 20th at 10 a.m. for first meeting. But after that, once we get the first couple weeks out of the way and once the class gets rolling, it's going to be just Wednesday and Friday for the most part until we have an exam. Moving down the page here, we have a list of due dates. This might be very handy for some of you who need a quick reference on what to do here. Has it organized by unit, tells you which task, which part of the course you would need to do, when it opens, when it's due, and what time it is due on that day, going all the way to the very last part of the course in May. You'll see on the right side we have a couple of things. What might be useful here is the course calendar. You can see this has a list of our meeting days as well as, importantly, exams. Something that you will not need over here is this to-do list. The to-do list is a little bit accurate, but it's not everything that you need to know, and most importantly, it will not give you things in the right order that you need to be doing them in. You cannot rely on the to-do list, it will let you down. Moving down here, our little navigation bar on the left side, we have a page just for the syllabus. Can't miss it, very easy. We have a page just for the announcements in long form. You notice the little blue dot over here. Blue means new, very easy, it means these have not been read yet. And we have our modules. So these modules are the core of the class. This is the class content itself. Starting with the basics, getting set up with everything we're going to have here for week 1. Moving forward, you're going to get a new one of these modules every week. You must complete everything in the module for the previous week before moving on to the next one, so be sure to keep up with these. These will have everything in it that you personally need to do. Keep this in mind. If you show up to class, you take the tests, and you complete what is in these modules on time, you'll have everything that you need. You will not be missing anything for this course. Moving on, we have this handling for the Zoom virtual meeting. So this is going to give you a forever link to my personal meeting room, which we are going to use whenever the class meets. A little bit more detail on that in a separate video. Moving on, we have a packback link. Now this one is not quite configured correctly. I'm in student view here, so if I did click this, it is going to treat me like a new student instead of showing you exactly what this is, but this is going to be a discussion board that we're going to use. We use Packback as opposed to some of the other options because this one provides some very, very nice features that help keep things original and creative and worth everybody's time and energy. And lastly, we have the grades. Keep in mind, we do not grade in this class based on percentages. It is going to be points. Everything is going to be out of 1,000 points. You start with 0 when you begin the course, and as you complete assignments, you build up points all the way up to a maximum of 1,000. And you can actually see the very first possible graded assignment here. So just to do a little bit of a review, you can start on the home page. I would recommend going straight down, just like we did in the video on this one, reading the new announcements and at least understanding what is in these links, knowing what information is on this page. It's very useful. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Don't be bashful, closed mouths do not get fed, and have a great day. Bye-bye.